Um, Unfortunately, I have a very small speech. Navratri is very special to my heart. I am a Gujarati, and I have been celebrating this event since I was a child. Unfortunately, I have never been to a Navratri function in India. Hopefully this year I will come to Express Mall. Let me see what it's all about, because in London there's a huge rave about how Navratri is done in India. And of course it's the originality comes from here, and I just wanted to also congratulate you on your 3rd year at Express Mall. It is a tough task, it's a heavy job to do, and of course to bring Gujarat into a different state, it is a very tough job. Me being Gujarati, so congratulations and all the best. Of course your 4th, 5th and very much onwards. Thank you.
Very happy to be part of this press meet. They told me that VGN Group is doing this for the last 2 to 3 years, 2 years. So I actually have a friend in Ahmedabad, and they always tell me that the Gujarati, the Dandiya festival there is very colorful, and idella paatha, it's like a mini version of that. So very happy, and all the best to the Gujarat team. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ashwin.
Vanakkam, adha sollikiren. Being a Tamilian, basically any dance, when you talk about, there kind of some speciality will be there. We have been witnessing with Bharatanatyam, Odissi, something different. And for me, being in a part of Express Group, the first year onwards we have been seeing this Dandiya festival in EA. It's like, you can call it as a Thiruvila. In Tamil சொல்லுவாங்க ஒரு பெரிய திருவிழா மெகா திருவிழா நடக்குது இல்லையா ஒரு 9 நாளைக்கு. You will be delighted and you will be really mesmerized the way, right from the 5-year-old kid to 50-year-old, no gender and specific. They are dancing awesome. Hopefully this year I am also planning with some dress code to dance with you all people. And I wish the grand success on behalf of the EIPL management. Rightly, Ms. Patel said that 4th, 5th, 6th year, door is always open from Express Avenue for your activity. Thank you so much.
I'll just say that this Navaratri event is not possible without our six. We just started this in an say summa okandikte irundom. We thought we were playing Navaratri in different places. So why not in Chennai? Why we should not bring our own culture to Chennai? We have to show some differently to the people. So we planned this, we make that, we worked very hard the first year, the same consecutive year we have got experience, and now this stage we are calling press meet. So this is a huge this thing I can say from a success, and I hope this will go on continuous. Thank you.